Over the past decade, artificial intelligence has transformed from a niche research field into a driving force behind modern technology. AI powers everything from chatbots and translation systems to self-driving cars and medical diagnostics. But behind these astonishing capabilities lies a complex web of algorithms, models, and mathematical principles, the backbone of which is the neural network. Today, we'll dive deep into how AI learns, how neural networks function, and the trends shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Humans learn by experience. We observe, experiment, make mistakes, and adapt. AI, in contrast, learns through computation. A neural network is a computational model inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected layers of neurons. Each neuron receives inputs, multiplies them by weights, passes the result through an activation function, and sends the signal to the next layer. This iterative process allows the network to recognize patterns and make predictions based on data. Neural networks are typically organized into three types of layers: input, hidden, and output layers. Input layers receive raw data, images, text, or audio. Hidden layers extract and transform features, discovering complex patterns. Output layers generate predictions or classifications. Modern architectures, such as transformers or convolutional networks, have millions or even billions of parameters, enabling them to process intricate data structures efficiently. Training a neural network involves feeding it massive datasets and letting it learn from errors. This is accomplished using gradient descent, which iteratively adjusts weights to minimize prediction errors. Backpropagation calculates how each neuron contributes to the error and propagates adjustments backward through the network. The result is a model that improves with each example, learning subtle patterns that even human experts may not easily recognize. Neural networks thrive on data diversity and computational power. Large-scale datasets allow models to generalize better, while GPUs and specialized AI accelerators provide the necessary computing resources. Recent trends show AI models moving toward multimodal learning, enabling a single model to understand text, images, audio, and video simultaneously, bridging multiple information types. Neural networks power numerous real-world applications. Computer vision for self-driving cars and medical imaging, natural language processing for chatbots, translators, and content generation, generative AI for art, music, and code recommendation systems in e-commerce and streaming platforms. These models often operate behind the scenes, but their impact on everyday life is immense. Cutting-edge architectures such as transformers and large language models have revolutionized AI. Transformers allow models to process sequences in parallel, capturing long-range dependencies in data. Large-scale models like GPT-5 or PaLM have billions of parameters, enabling sophisticated reasoning, generation, and understanding across multiple domains. Emerging trends are shaping the next generation of AI. Foundation models that can generalize across tasks, edge AI, running models locally on devices for privacy and speed, neuro-symbolic AI, combining logic-based reasoning with deep learning, greater emphasis on AI safety, explainability, and alignment to ensure reliable and ethical outcomes. Despite their power, neural networks have limitations. They require massive datasets, significant computational resources, and careful tuning. They can also inherit biases present in training data, making fairness and transparency critical concerns. Research continues to improve efficiency, robustness, and interpretability, enabling AI to become more reliable and aligned with human values. Behind every AI system lies a vast network of artificial neurons, learning from data, refining predictions, and shaping the world around us. Neural networks have already transformed industries, and ongoing innovations promise even more breakthroughs in intelligence, creativity, and human-machine collaboration. If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, subscribe for more in-depth explanations of technology, programming, and future trends.